Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to perfectly size your home solar system. Whether you're looking to reduce your electricity bill or want to go green, getting the right size is crucial. So let's get started. First things first, you need to determine your energy needs. Look at your electricity bills for the past year. Find the average kilowatt hours, kWh, you use per month. This will give you a baseline for how much energy your solar system needs to produce. Next, consider your roof space. You'll need enough area to fit the panels. Measure the usable space and take note of any obstructions like chimneys or vents. Sunlight exposure is another big factor. Ideally, your roof should face south and have minimal shading throughout the day. Now let's talk about the actual panels. The efficiency of solar panels varies. Higher efficiency panels produce more power but may cost more. It's a balance between budget and space. Generally, you'll need about 100 square feet of roof space for every kilowatt of solar panels. Don't forget about the inverter. The inverter converts the DC electricity produced by the panels into AC electricity you can use at home. Make sure the inverter's capacity matches your system size. Oversizing or undersizing can lead to inefficiencies. Structurally, your roof must be strong enough to support the weight of the solar panels. This is where a structural engineer comes in. They'll inspect your roof and ensure it can handle the additional load. Safety is paramount. Speaking of safety, always ensure your system meets local codes and regulations. Hiring a certified electrician to handle the wiring is a must. And don't forget about permits. You'll need approval from your local authority before installation. Common mistakes to avoid. First, don't underestimate your energy needs. It's better to slightly oversize than to fall short. Second, ensure proper spacing between panels to avoid overheating. Lastly, don't ignore maintenance. Regular cleaning and inspections will keep your system running efficiently. So there you have it. By considering your energy needs, roof space, panel efficiency, inverter size, and structural integrity, you can perfectly size your home solar system. Remember to consult professionals and follow local regulations to ensure a safe and efficient installation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on going green and saving money. See you next time!